Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share a technical analysis of Ripple coin. First of all, if we examine the chart, we can see an upward trend coming from the bottom. Additionally, there is a dotted rising trend that has initiated on its own. The arrow here is very important because we will show a bearish RSI divergence soon, indicating a potential significant increase in price movements due to positive divergence. Now, looking at the price movements, we see that it is currently moving above the rising trend. The price movements are in a good position, approaching the 48 level. When the 48 level is broken, our first target is the 0.51 point. After breaking this point, the levels of 0.5450 and 0.55 are significant for us. Because there have been 4 apologies and 3 touches in the past, and this point is important for us due to these touches. Now, let's look at our RSI divergence, friends. We open the RSI indicator. We see an upward movement at price bottoms. As you can see, the price has moved up from here to here, but if we look at the RSI bottom, it has decreased, indicating the occurrence of a bullish RSI divergence. This is a hidden bullish divergence. In other words, we can say that we expect an increase in price movements because divergences generally yield accurate results. Here, we are already seeing an increase in price movements. We also need to emphasize that there could be a strong upward trend here. As you can see, we will also observe this rising trend in the 4-hour time frame. Now, let's clean up our chart a bit so that it doesn't confuse us too much. Looking at the RSI, it crosses above the 50 level. It makes a pullback and starts rising again. This is a positive sign, indicating that the RSI continues to rise towards 70. Friends, we can already observe an upward trend in RSI, so we can interpret this as a positive sign and expect further upward movement in price. After closing the RSI indicator, we will look at the Fisher and WAV trend indicators. Currently, we can say that both indicators are providing slightly bullish signals, as they are generating upward breakouts and showing strength. These signals may be considered slightly bullish due to the fact that they are occurring near the 0 level. With these bullish signals, we can anticipate a small upward movement in price, approaching the 48 level, which we can see is not far away. We may witness a minor downward movement from this level. After reaching these levels, around 48 to 24, we expect the price to break above 51, as previously mentioned, and potentially rise towards the orange zone. The important point here is the breaking of the support of the upward trend. Let's mention this as well. Looking at the moving averages, we can see that the price has held above the 200-day moving average, which is considered a positive sign. Along with the rapid upward trends in the past 4 days, specifically referring to the short-term trend, we can interpret this as the trend holding. Furthermore, the 8-day moving average crossing above the 20-day moving average provides us with a good signal, which can be interpreted as a slight buying signal. We can expect a short-term increase in this regard. Additionally, after closing the moving averages, let's perform our analysis on the 4-hour time frame and slowly conclude our video. In the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there is an upward trend, as we just drew. Correcting it, we can say that there is an upward trend here. In this 4-hour period, we observed an upward trend. The downward break of the support of this upward trend is significant. As we mentioned before, if it breaks, what do we say, my friends? It is likely to drop to the line. After reaching this point, it would be more positive to see another upward movement in price. Of course, my friends, if we look back in history, we will also have intermediate support zones. If we take a look, my friends, approximately 0.4497 level is an intermediate support zone. Additionally, my friends, as you can see, the 0.4469 levels are also our intermediate support zones. When the black line is first broken, it is likely that price movements will drop between 45 and 44.69 levels, and it is important for the price to hold there. We can say these things in the 4-hour period as well. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of RPPLE coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.